Right, this is a concealed hinge or a Euro hinge. Some people call it Blum hinge. They're basically kitchen door hinges or bedroom door hinges, and they're good because they've got a lot of different adjustments. So you can go up, down, backwards and forwards, side to side. A really good hinge. And to put them on a door, they need a 35mm hole. So if you look at my little drawer in there, you need a 35mm hole, 22.5mm in, and I do them 100mm from the end of the door. So when I started out doing this, I used to measure and mark each one and then drill it with a bit like that, which was difficult to get the right depth and it took time. And when I worked in commercial workshops, they had machines set up or a drill press set up, but that takes up space, and also a door this long to move along a bench is quite difficult. So I remember having this drill stand and this cheap drill. So I mounted the drill bit in it, put a little fence on it, and the fence is 100mm in the centre each way. So when I put it onto the door, I don't have to measure or mark down from the top. I can just plunge it straight in. And there's a depth stop there, so it'll plunge down to the right depth. The last thing to do is drill 2 pilot holes for the screws with a 3mm bit. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to the channel. See you next time.